Project Communications Management. Questions and Answers. Part 1. You are working on a communications management plan for your project. You examine characteristics like the project organization and stakeholder relationships, the different departments involved in the project, the number of people associated with the project and here they work, and the government reporting needs you have because of the nature of this project. Which of the following does this question describe? A. Communications skills. B. Communications technology. C. Stakeholder analysis. D. Communications requirements. The answer is D. Communications requirements. You are the project manager for Lucky Start Restaurants. Your newest project is in the planning process. You've published the scope statement and scope management plan. The document that describes who will receive copies of this information as well as future project information, how it should be distributed, and how the information should be stored and filed is which of the following? A. Scope management plan. B. Communications management plan. C. Information distribution plan. D. Project charter. The answer is B. Communications management plan. Receivers in the communication model filter their information through all of the following except A. Culture. B. Knowledge of subject. C. Conflict. D. Language. The answer is C. Conflict. You are the project manager for a web development project. You hold regular project status meetings and publish status reports on a timely basis. You know that communication is one of your most important functions. As such, all of the following are true regarding your published status reports except A. Senders are responsible for sending clear, concise, complete messages. B. Receivers are responsible for understanding the message. C. Communication can be vertical or horizontal or both. D. Effective communication techniques include making eye contact, nodding, and asking clarifying questions. The answer is D. Effective communication techniques include making eye contact, nodding, and asking clarifying questions. You have accumulated project information throughout the project and need to distribute some important information you just received. All of the following are part of information distribution methods except A. Electronic mail. B. Video conferencing. C. Electronic databases. D. Voicemail. The answer is C. Electronic databases. You know that the next status meeting will require some discussion and a decision for a problem that has surfaced on the project. In order to make the most accurate decision, you know that the number of participants in the meeting should be limited to A. 1 to 5, B. 5 to 11, C. 7 to 16, D. 10 to 18. The answer is B. 5 to 11. What are the outputs of the performance reporting process? A. Performance reports and change requests. B. Performance reports and other project records. C. Change requests and performance reporting. D. Change requests and performance measurements. The answer is A. Performance reports and change requests. You are the project manager for a top-secret software project for an agency of the United States government. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to complete the project using internal resources. The reason is because getting top-secret clearances for contractors takes quite a bit of time, and waiting for clearances would jeopardize the implementation date. Your programmers are 80% of the way through the programming and testing work when your agency appoints a new executive director. Slowly but surely you programmers are taken off this project and reassigned to the executive director's hot new project. Which of the following type of project ending is this? A. Starvation. B. Extinction. C. Addition. D. Integration. The answer is D. Integration. You are a project manager for Cinema Snicker Productions. Your company specializes in producing comedy films for the big screen. Your latest project has just been cancelled due to budget cuts. Which of the following statements is true? A. This project ended due to starvation, because the funding was cut off. B. This project ended due to integration, because the resources were distributed elsewhere. C. This project ended due to starvation, because the resources were distributed elsewhere. D. This project ended due to integration, because the funding was cut off. The answer is A. This project ended due to starvation, because the funding was cut off. All of the following are types of project closures or endings except A. Addition, B. Integration, C. Verification, D. Extinction. The answer is C. Verification. You are a project manager for Cinema Snickers Productions. Your company specializes in producing comedy films for the big screen. Your latest project has just been completed and accepted. You've been given your next project, which starts right away. Which of the following statements is true? A. This project ended due to extinction, because it was completed and accepted. B. This project ended due to integration, because it was completed and accepted and the project manager moved on to a new project. C. This project ended due to addition, because it was completed and accepted and archived into the company's catalog of available films. D. This project ended due to integration, because it was completed and accepted. The answer is A. This project ended due to extinction, because it was completed and accepted. Which of the following processes are performed in the closing process group and in what order? A. Administrative closure, then contract closeout. B. Scope verification, then administrative closure. C. Contract closeout, then scope verification. D. Contract closeout, then administrative closure. The answer is D. Contract closeout, then administrative closure. You are a project manager for Dutch Harbor Consulting. Your latest project involved the upgrade of an organization's operating system on 236 servers. You performed this project under contract. You are in the contract closeout process and know that you should document A. Lessons learned, B. Performance measurements, C. Formal acceptance, D. Product verification. The answer is C. Formal acceptance. Which of the following are the outputs of the contract closeout process? A. Project archives, formal acceptance, and closure, and contract file. B. Contract file, and formal acceptance and closure. C. Project archives and contract file. D. Contract file, formal acceptance and closure, and lessons learned. The answer is B. Contract file, and formal acceptance and closure.